Okay guys, in today's video, I am going to teach you how to download and install Xampp to your PC. So you already know that Xampp is a local server that you can download and install on your system. So without wasting much time, let's begin. Now go directly to any browser of your choice and type Xampp download. You can see the first link here. This is their official site, apachefriends.org. Make sure you don't download it from a third-party website. So their official website is this first one. So just click on it. Now on this download page, you will see Xampp for Windows. If you scroll down, you will see for Linux and OS. So, but I am using Windows. So I'm going to go up here and download the latest version, which is Xampp 8.2.4 and the PHP 8.2.4. So now I'm going to click on download 64 bits. So as you can see here, it will start downloading. But just because I have downloaded it before, so I will not go ahead and download it again. For that, I will stop this one. So, but after downloading it, go to your downloads folder. Here, you will see the Xampp downloaded file. So all you need to do is to double click on it to install it to your system. Give the required permission by saying yes. In the process of trying to install it, when this pop-up box comes up, just click OK. It doesn't mean anyhow. Now click on next. Leave all these settings as they are and click on next. And here, leave it as it is also, so that it will be installed in your Xampp folder in your C drive. So click on next. Yes, English is perfect. Click on next. Click on next again and it will start installing. Just wait from few seconds to few minutes, depending on the speed of your internet. So I'm going to cut this video now and come back when it has finished installing. Then we can continue from there. So once it's done installing, you just click on finish. So after clicking on finish, it will automatically open up this Xampp control panel, as you can see on the screen now. But should in case it doesn't come up, normally it comes up, okay? But if it doesn't come up, or maybe tomorrow you want to make use of it, you just come to your search bar and search for Xampp. Then you will see the control panel here. Just launch it open, okay? So that's it, okay? Now that the control panel is open and we have finished installing our Xampp, the next thing you're going to do is to switch the Apache and MySQL on, because these are the two files that you'll be working with. So to do that, you just click on start. And for the fact that WordPress works with database, which you can create through your PHP to create a MySQL database for your website. And for that, we are going to click on admin under MySQL. So once you click on it, it will take you to this place, which is your PHP admin. So from here, you are going to create a database, which will also be useful to you when you are downloading WordPress to your server. So now that we are here, what we are going to do to create the database here in PHP admin is to click on new. Then you'll be brought to this place. So on this page now, you're going to come up with your database name, the name of your database, which will be written in this box. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to say that this is going to be WordPress. But remember, if you're having two words, so let's say you say it's WordPress tutorial, it will not be accepted here in your PHP admin because space is not allowed to be included in the name of your database. So to do that, you rather use underscore. So as you can see it here, you rather use underscore or use only one word, which I'm going to use now. Like I'll leave it on WordPress. So after you've come up with your name, then now you click on create. Now your database is created. So if you look by the left here, you see your database. Maybe you want to delete one of your database. So to do that, you just have to click on this icon, click on it, then you come down and click on drop the database. Okay, but I'm going to do a proper video on how to create and manage your database here in PHP admin. But today's tutorial is focused on how to download Xampp server to your PC. So now, after installing Xampp to your PC and you are done with creating your database through PHP admin, how do you test if the Xampp server you downloaded to your PC is really working? So in that
that, we are going to use a simple PHP command to test if the server is really working, because PHP is the backbone of WordPress. And also, you remembered that when we were downloading Xampp, we downloaded it also with the latest version of PHP, which is PHP 8.2.4. So for that, we are going to write a command to test if this Xampp server is really working, so we can continue to use it to do our projects like creating our WordPress websites and other things. So to do that, we go to our C drive. So if you go to your Windows C drive or whichever system you are using, so you can double click. So when you double click and come down, you will see the Xampp folder. Just double click to go inside it. So inside it here, these are the files you have in your Xampp. So inside the Xampp folder, you will see this folder called htdocs. So just double click and go inside it. So here in it, we'll create a new folder by right clicking and go to new, now on folder, and we are going to name it PHP server test. So we are going to double click and go inside it also. Then inside it, we are going to right click, come down to new again, and come down to text document.
So we are going to change the name to hello world and make sure there is no space, okay? And give it extension as .php. So if this pop-up box comes up to ask you for permission to change the extension, just say yes. So now double click on it to launch it up. You see now that the text editor has opened up, which you see that comes with the name hello world.php, which is the name of this file. So it has come up for me to write the PHP testing command we are going to use to test if the Xampp server we install is working perfectly. So to do that, we are going to first of all open our PHP. So to open a PHP, you type lesser than $PHP. Then you come down here and write and close it by greater than. So now you have opened and closed your PHP. Now we need to print out hello world on the screen of our page. And to do that in PHP, you come up with the word called echo, then parentheses. So inside this parentheses, we are going to double quotes. Then now we write hello world and make sure at the end we close it with semicolon. Now save your code. Then go back to the browser. Remember that the folder that this hello world is inside in our Xampp folder is called PHP server test. Okay, so that is what you're going to remember. By opening a new tab, go to localhost/PHP server test, then hit enter. So as you can see here, it has brought up this page, and in this page you see the hello world.php. Just launch it up. Then you see the hello world we printed out using PHP, as you can see here on our text editor. So that is the end of this video on how to download and install Xampp server to your PC, and also how to write a simple PHP script to text if the Xampp server you downloaded on your PC is working perfectly. So if this helps, please drop a comment in the comment section, and if there is any question, also ask me in the comment section. I will do my best to answer you as much as I can. And otherwise, like and share this video. That being said, thank you for watching and see you guys in the next videos.